This video will help you complete the assignments for the first week of Business 224. Please make sure you review the announcement for everything you need to do. I will quickly walk through each of the assignments so you understand what you need. And if you have questions, my contact information is listed here under instructor information. So the first items that you need to do are required by Friday, January 8th. And you can either click on the hyperlinks in the message here, or you can go to the Start Here area. Again, review what you need to do, and then complete items 2, and then also items 3. Items 2, the syllabus confirmation is listed here, and the upload to Blackboard practice is listed here. In order to access assignments, you just click on the title of the assignment. In this case, it's a quiz. You hit begin. You should read the syllabus before you initiate it. The second item is how to upload to Blackboard, so that I know you know how to do that for the course. There's a link here with an instructional document. So you would click on the link, follow the instructions, which include opening Microsoft Word. You will type the information that is required here. Make sure you save it in a place you remember. And you will give it a name, hit save, and then close the document. Come back into Blackboard. You will use the Browse Local Files. Do not use Write Submission. Do Browse Local Files. Find the assignment that we just created, and you can go ahead and pick it. Make sure the right name is listed here, then hit submit, okay? Then, once you are done with these, make sure you follow that directions of the things I need in the document. Then you can go back to the announcement, or you can go in the Start Here, and you can complete the other 2 assignments. They can be found via the Week 1 quiz link and the Week 1 assignment link here, or at the bottom of the announcement, or you may go into the weekly activities, Week 1 area, and then you will want to read the student learning outcomes. You can check out the book chapter, and then in order to initiate the quiz, you would click on the words Week 1 quiz, hit begin, and take the quiz. You have 3 opportunities to get your best score. So if you don't like the first score you get, you just come back and take it again. And then the Week 1 assignment, when you're ready to do that, it's very similar to the Blackboard assignment, where you have to use a particular document and complete it. So you click on the title. You will use this website link and your chapter in the textbook. And then there is an assignment template. So you click on the assignment template. It will open in Microsoft Word, and then you will take your time to go ahead and complete the actual assignment. So once you open it, you will see that you hit Enable Editing, and then you just answer the questions based on what you're learning for the week, and then you hit Save. And then close this document, go back to the assignment in Blackboard, hit Browse Local Files, and then you want to make sure that you pick the document, make sure the title is listed here, and then hit Submit. Okay, and then I will be able to grade it. Lastly, I want to just show you the textbook. Each week you'll have a chapter or 2. You can find the textbook here. There's also a PDF reader if you would like it read to you. And there's a link there, but each week you'll have a link to the chapter. When you click on it, you will get to the online book. As I mentioned, it's free. You can either download the book to your computer, or you can just read the book each week. When you click on the read book option, you'll see contents. You'll see each of the chapters. In this first week, we're in chapter 1. When you scroll down, there's a very, very short chapter for the first week. But in subsequent weeks, when you go to contents, let's say it's chapter 2, once you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that there are subsequent pages. So you'll be looking for the arrows at the bottom so you can go to the next pages. Okay, so that's how the textbook works. Once you're completely done with all your activities, I would always recommend go back to the announcement, check the homework summary to make sure you've done everything. And if you have any questions whatsoever, contact me. Please contact me before the assignments are due. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video helps you.